In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Google Ads for travel agency, Google Ads setup for travel agency. We'll focus on setting up call-out assets, short, benefit-driven snippets that appear with your search ads and make your offers stand out. They don't cost extra to add, but they can improve visibility and click-through rate when used well. First, go to your Google Ads account. Sign in and make sure you're looking at the correct account where your travel campaigns live. Once you're in, click Campaigns to open the campaign you want to enhance. Keeping this at the campaign level ensures your callouts can appear across all relevant ad groups in that campaign, which is perfect when you want consistent messaging like seasonal promotions or agency-wide benefits. Next, click Assets. In Google Ads, assets are the elements that expand your ads, and callouts are one of the simplest, most impactful ones. Within the Assets section, find callouts and select it. This view shows any callouts you've already set up so you can keep your messaging consistent and avoid duplications. Now click the plus icon to create a new set of callouts. You'll see fields where you can enter short lines of text. Each callout should be brief. Think up to about 25 characters and focused on benefits rather than features. For a travel agency, strong examples include phrases like no booking fees, 24/7 travel support, flexible cancellation, best price match, tailor-made itineraries, or trusted local guides. Keep the language clear, avoid punctuation that doesn't add meaning, and capitalize naturally so it reads well on both desktop and mobile. Enter your call-out text in the available fields. Aim for variety while staying on brand. Mix service highlights with customer assurances and timely offers, such as early bird deals or last-minute savings, provided they're accurate for your business. If your agency serves specific destinations, you can reflect that in a concise way. For example, Europe specialists or island getaways, as long as it fits the character space and your actual offering. Once you're satisfied with the wording, click Save. Your callouts will be eligible to show with your ads when Google determines they can improve performance. Remember, not every callout appears every time. Google rotates them based on space and relevance. After saving, keep an eye on performance metrics over time to see which phrases earn more impressions and clicks, and refine your messaging accordingly. That's it. Your travel campaign now has polished call-out assets that highlight value at a glance and help turn searches into bookings.